Hello there. I just wanted to pop on real quick and let you know that next week on Thursday, I'm going to host a YouTube Live so we can have a workshop. I have 3 topics in mind, and I'm going to tell you what they are, and then I'm going to let you comment and tell me which one you want to see first. So again, the workshop is going to be April 15th, next week, April 15th, 2021. So if you're watching this later, it'll still be there, but we will have already had it. So between now and then, I'll be making sure you have some PDFs that you'll want to have for the workshop. And so the way it works is, let me tell you the topics, and then you can comment and tell me which one you want to see. And if you would like to have a workshop at a different time, you can comment about that too. It'll be fun to see what time you would like to have a workshop. But this first one is going to be next week, Thursday at 4 p.m. Texas time, which is the same as Chicago time. And so let's talk about the topics. I have 3 topics in mind, and we can do them in any order, but they're all things I've wanted to talk about more for a long time. One of them is what I call the 3M, Basic Music Theory. And I'll make this available to you. It actually is already available on my free instruction page, and there's a blank one. We can learn different things. And it's just the easiest way I know to gain knowledge of music therapy. It's not real heady or challenging. You just follow along. We do an activity together and you follow along. And even people who already understand some music theory usually have some ahas, just the way it's organized and the way it's presented. So basically, music theory and how to use the 3M would be one topic. Music theory, you could just say that short. And then another whole workshop on the circle of, well, that's the empty one. There's the circle of fifths I have that's basically filled out, and then there's the blank one. And in that workshop, you will learn how to very easily make your own circle of fifths. If you're interested in that, pay attention to the pattern BEADGCF. If you've got BEADGCF memorized, even if you don't, I can show you how to easily make a circle of fifths, and eventually how you don't need the circle of fifths anymore, and some things it can do for us to help us develop the ability to play by ear and figure out what chords go in the song, help you write songs. Okay. Oh, and the first topic is theory. The second topic is circle of fifths, which is also theory, just a different take on it. And then the third one is how to plan practice that works most efficiently for you, how to get the farthest, fastest with the limited amount of time you have to practice. So we'll be looking at, this will be available to you, a practice plan paper. We talk about how playing music is different than practicing motion. And in order to play music, we have to practice motion. And we'll learn about the 3 phases of skills acquisition, which is really understanding the process the brain has to go through whenever we gain a skill that's new. It's true for everyone, no matter what skill it is, whether it's playing basketball or playing guitar. The process of gaining the physical skill is the same. And when we understand that process, we can plan our practice in a way that works. So make a comment and let me know which topic you want to do first. Theory, 3M. This helps you understand like why sharps and flats and things like that. And then circle of fifths, how to use it, or how to plan practice. We'll do all 3 of them. I'm just curious to see which one you want to see first. The first workshop will be next week on Thursday at 4 p.m. Let me know if there's another time that's good for you, and I can plan a future workshop at a different time. Between now and then, I'll pop on again and let you know. I don't have these handy yet on my free instruction page. Some of them are there, but I'm going to put them at the top of my free instruction page to make them handy. I'll also be sending them out in an email to my mailing list between now and then. along with a link to my free instruction page. So if you're already on the email list, I'll send that link again. If you're not on my email list, go to the link in the description under this video, and you can sign up for my email list, and then you'll know how to get the PDFs, and you'll know whenever anything's going on with the new guitar course or anything. Yeah, so I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing you in about a week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.